Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to save live to your archive on Instagram. Maybe you want to save your live into your archive on Instagram but you don't know how. So today I am going to show you how you can save your live to your archive. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you'll see your Instagram profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then from your profile page, simply tap on these three lines in the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, you'll see settings and privacy. Tap on it. From here, you have to scroll down. And you'll see in here archiving and downloading. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see here Save Live to Archive. To turn this on, simply toggle this button. And as you can see, automatically save your live videos to your archive. Only you can see your archive. Live videos are archived for only 30 days. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can save live to archive, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can save your live to your archive on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.